Are you tired of running out of battery on your camping trips? What if I told you there's a way to harness the power of the sun to charge your devices? This product is a portable solar panel kit, perfect for outdoor camping enthusiasts, solving the problem of limited power supply. It's designed to provide a reliable source of energy, so you can stay connected and enjoy your time in the great outdoors. Whether you're a hiker, camper, or just someone who loves spending time outside, this solar panel kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to stay powered up and connected. Let's break down the specs of this solar panel kit. It has a 1000 W power output, which is plenty to charge your phone, laptop, and other devices. The 12V voltage is safe and compatible with most devices. The 23% efficiency is quite high, meaning it can generate more power from the same amount of sunlight. This is especially important when you're out in the wilderness, where sunlight can be limited. The 60 degrees bend allows for flexible installation, so you can place it on uneven surfaces, such as rocks or trees. The IP65 protection ensures it's waterproof and dustproof, making it durable and long-lasting, even in harsh weather conditions. The 100A controller regulates the flow of energy, preventing overcharging and damage to your devices. Additionally, the kit comes with a range of connectors and adapters, making it easy to hook up your devices and start charging. Imagine using this solar panel kit on a sunny day at the campsite, charging your phone and laptop while you're out hiking. Or, picture this, you're on a road trip, and your car battery dies, but you can use this solar panel kit to jumpstart your car. It's a lifesaver in situations like these. You can also use it to power your camping lights, fridge, and other essential devices, making your outdoor adventure even more comfortable and enjoyable. In real-world use, this solar panel kit has been used by campers, hikers, and even emergency responders, who need a reliable source of power in the field. It's also been used by people who live off the grid, who need a sustainable and renewable source of energy. In my honest opinion, this solar panel kit is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. The best things about it are its high efficiency, durability, and flexibility. However, it's a bit heavy and bulky, which might be a downside for some users. Overall, I'd give it a rating of 8 out of 10. The only thing that would make it better is if it were lighter and more compact, making it easier to carry on long hikes or backpacking trips. Nevertheless, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors. If you're interested in getting your hands on this amazing solar panel kit, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The link is down below, so be sure to check it out. I've also included some additional resources and tutorials on how to use the solar panel kit, so be sure to check those out as well. With this solar panel kit, you'll never have to worry about running out of power again, and you can focus on enjoying the great outdoors.